Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to share your screen with your contacts on iMessages. So first open iMessages, then choose the contact you want to share the screen with. Now on the top right corner you can see the I button, click on it, and under the name of your contact you'll see an icon to share, click on it, and then you'll get two options: invite to share my screen and ask to share screen. So if you click on invite to share my screen, you will send them an invitation to share your screen with them. So if they accept the invite, they will be able to see your screen on their MacBook or their iPhone, and if they don't accept your invitation, they won't be able to see your screen. If you click on ask to share screen, you will send them an invitation to share their screen to yourself. So that is how you share your screen with your contacts on iMessages on your Mac. Thank you.